Project 2 Conference Presentation Cloud Development by Peter Clark. My name is Peter Clark and I am the full stack developer, and the purpose of this presentation is to articulate the intricacies of cloud development to both technical and non-technical audiences. Containerization. Explain the models used to migrate a full stack application to the cloud. Cloud migration is the process of moving data, applications, or other business elements to a cloud computing environment. There are various types of cloud migrations an enterprise can perform. So one common model is the transfer of data and applications from a local on-premises data center to the public cloud. What tools are necessary for containerization? The tool that is needed is the Docker application, which allows developers to virtualize, containerize, and develop microservices. Orchestration. What is the value of using Docker Compose? Well, it allows for developers to create full stack applications in one location without having to worry about things such as dependencies. The application will run each container in isolation of each other, and so developers don't have to worry about deploying to many operating systems because it will be able to run on all systems. The serverless cloud. What is serverless and what are its advantages? Serverless runs on a server such as Amazon's workspace, but is not managed by the developer. So this allows them to focus more on the logic of their code. What is S3 storage and how does it compare to local storage? S3 offers a cheaper way of storage by pay-as-you-go options, so you only use what you need, so you only purchase what you need. It also has unlimited storage since it is scalable. API and lambda. Describe the advantages of using a serverless API. A serverless API such as Amazon's API Gateway supports RESTful and WebSockets APIs. They are cost-effective and have lower latency. Explain Lambda's API logic. This runs on a serverless service that the developer does not have to manage. Functions can easily be created and invoked. What scripts are produced in order to make this happen? Lambda functions can be used to make this happen. Summarize the steps needed to integrate the front end and the back end. Containers place all the dependencies needed for the application into a single location so that developers can just add their code to the container without the need to worry about differences between the different development environments. Database. What are the data model differences between MongoDB and DynamoDB? Dynamo is only available through AWS and uses tables, items, and attributes. Mongo is open source and can be deployed anywhere and uses JSON-like documents. What queries did you perform? I queried the result of the questions and answers template for the one assignment. What scripts are produced in order to make this happen? Table scan and queries. And here's a chart that shows the capacity versus usage. Securing your cloud app access. How can you prevent unauthorized access? AWS offers many different security features that will protect from unauthorized access. Policies. Explain the relationship between roles and policies. Roles are user identities. Policies are how access is managed. What custom policies were created? We created policies that gave read and write access. API security. How can you secure the connection between Lambda and Gateway? We can do this by controlling access to the APIs. Conclusion. Briefly recount 3 main points that are salient to your explanation and demonstrate your understanding of cloud development. With AWS API Gateway, you can run a fully managed REST API that integrates with AWS Lambda functions to execute business logic. API Gateway provides benefits such as traffic management, authorization and authentication, monitoring or logging, and API versioning. And thank you guys for your time.